Want to give your Android phone a more modern and interactive look? Dynamic Island apps can transform the way you receive notifications, control music, and view important information with smooth animations and convenient shortcuts. In this video, we'll explore some of the best Dynamic Island apps for Android that combine stylish designs with useful features to enhance your everyday smartphone experience. Let's get started. Dynamic Notch Notification Bar. Dynamic Notch Notification Bar is an Android customization app that brings an iPhone-inspired dynamic island experience to compatible Android devices. The app transforms the area around the front camera or notch into an interactive notification bar, allowing users to view incoming calls, messages, music controls, charging status, timers, and other system activities without interrupting what they are doing. Its smooth animations and modern design create a more engaging and visually appealing user experience while making notifications easier to access. The application supports a wide variety of notification types and provides floating pop-up animations that expand and collapse seamlessly around the camera area. Users can customize the appearance by adjusting colors, animation styles, widget sizes, and notification behavior to better match their personal preferences. The app also works well with many popular messaging, music, and media applications, allowing users to control playback or respond to notifications more conveniently. Another advantage of Dynamic Notch Notification Bar is its lightweight performance and broad compatibility with numerous Android devices. Regular updates improve animation quality, expand app support, and introduce additional customization features that keep the experience fresh. Whether you want a modern-looking notification system or simply enjoy personalizing your smartphone, Dynamic Notch Notification Bar offers a stylish and functional dynamic island-inspired interface. NotiGuy Dynamic Notification. NotiGuy Dynamic Notification is one of the most popular dynamic island-style applications for Android, offering a highly interactive notification experience with elegant animations and extensive customization options. The app displays incoming notifications, media controls, charging information, battery status, navigation updates, and other live activities in a floating interface positioned around the front camera. This allows users to stay informed without leaving their current app, improving both convenience and multitasking. One of the app's strongest features is its impressive level of personalization. Users can customize the dynamic island size, position, colors, corner radius, animation effects, and supported notification types to create a look that matches their device. The application also integrates smoothly with music streaming apps, allowing users to control playback, view album artwork, and monitor media progress directly from the floating notification area. NotiGuy is optimized for smooth performance and responsive animations while maintaining efficient battery usage. Frequent updates continue improving compatibility with the latest Android versions and adding support for additional applications and system functions. With its polished interface, reliable performance, and rich feature set, NotiGuy Dynamic Notification is an excellent choice for Android users who want a premium dynamic island experience. Dynamic Notification Bar Android. Dynamic Notification Bar Android is a feature-rich application that enhances the traditional Android notification system by introducing a modern floating notification interface inspired by Dynamic Island. Instead of displaying standard notification banners, the app presents incoming alerts through animated pop-up elements that appear near the front camera, making notifications more attractive and easier to manage. This design helps users stay updated while minimizing interruptions during everyday smartphone use. The app supports notifications from messaging apps, phone calls, email, music players, charging events, battery alerts, and many other applications. Users can customize the notification bar's appearance by selecting different themes, colors, animation styles, transparency levels, and display sizes. These options allow users to create a personalized interface that blends naturally with their device's wallpaper and overall home screen design. In addition to visual enhancements, Dynamic Notification Bar Android focuses on smooth performance and responsive interactions. The app runs efficiently on a wide variety of Android smartphones and receives regular updates that improve compatibility, stability, and overall functionality. For users looking to modernize their notification experience while adding useful customization options, this application offers an attractive and practical solution. Dynamic Bar. Dynamic Bar is a modern Android customization app that recreates the dynamic island concept with clean animations, interactive notifications, and convenient shortcuts for everyday smartphone use. The application displays incoming calls, music controls, timers, charging status, navigation updates, and various system notifications through an elegant floating interface positioned around the device's camera cutout. This allows users to quickly access important information without interrupting their current activity. The application offers numerous customization features, allowing users to add just the size, color, animation speed, transparency, and placement of the dynamic bar. It also supports integration with many popular media players, enabling users to control music playback and view album artwork directly from the floating interface. These interactive elements improve multitasking while giving Android devices a modern and premium appearance. Dynamic Bar is designed to be lightweight and responsive, delivering smooth animations without placing excessive demands on system resources. Regular software updates continue expanding supported applications and refining the overall user experience. Whether you're interested in improving productivity or simply giving your phone a fresh visual style, Dynamic Bar provides an excellent combination of functionality, customization, and elegant design. Dynamic View AZ. Dynamic View AZ is an advanced Android application that brings interactive dynamic island-style notifications and multitasking features to a wide range of Android smartphones. The app transforms the front camera area into an intelligent floating interface capable of displaying incoming calls, notifications, music playback, charging status, navigation directions, battery information, and other real-time activities. Its smooth transitions and attractive visual effects create a modern user experience inspired by today's premium smartphones. The app supports extensive customization, allowing users to personalize animation styles, widget sizes, colors, transparency, corner shapes, and notification behavior. It also works with many popular messaging, media, and productivity apps, ensuring that important information is always available without requiring users to open the notification panel. This helps improve efficiency while keeping the interface clean and visually appealing. Those are our picks for the best dynamic island apps for Android. Each app offers its own unique features, customization options, and interactive notification experience, so you can choose the one that best fits your style and needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android app recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.